Hi, I'm Vignesh. My batchmates are Vikas and Sherbin and Wemberson. We are going to explain about the 4-bit counter using xilinx and Spartan 3 trainer kit. Opening the window, xilinx IST project navigator. After dumping the program file, go to synthesis XST, check the syntax, then check the synthesis XST, then go to plan ahead pre-synthesis, check that. After clicking that, the new window must be opened. I think the plan ahead window was opened. The plan ahead window is open. Under that, the ports are given, input ports and an output ports. On clicking the port, right click, run input output ports, maximize the orange color window, assign the ports, same as the input ports. Go to input ports, right click, input output ports, maximize the window, assign the input ports, and save it. Then go to implement design, check the implement design. On the implement design, first the translate and map and place and route, check that. Then go to view test router design, FPGA router. The new window will be opened. The new window was opened. Maximize, run. The design was established. Then change the properties, colors, apply, open. The color was changed. Minimize that. Then go to generate the program file. Checking that. Okay. The new window opened. Create, add. Under that, F2B was selected. Add. Then add the F2B. Given the name to the project name. I was doing the project was counter, so given the name as count. Okay. Okay. The bit file was created, opened, yes, again opened, no. Okay. Then minimize the window, minimize the xilinx window. Then go to JTAG navigator. Before checking that JTAG navigator on the kit, the xilinx Spartan E that was made by VA Microsystems. And then that the ports are given that. Using the port numbers, check the outputs. Example, the clock pin was P80. Right click. After open that window, right click. auto scan, right click, send file, open the bit file it was created, opened, then right click the program. Okay, the program was running and checking the program. The program was completed successfully. Then go to the kit, wearing the clock, check the outputs. Thank you.